Welcome to Datavalley, where bold vision meets global impact. What began as a small initiative in the USA evolved into a globally recognized platform, redefining how individuals and organizations harness data and emerging technologies.
With the mission to democratize tech education, we launched online training programs that reach learners across the world. We've empowered thousands of professionals and students with future-ready skills, many of whom are now thriving in prestigious global organizations. Their success and inspiring testimonials are a true reflection of our commitment to real outcomes.
Our expansion into India marked a major milestone, with dedicated operation across B2B, B2CH, B2C verticals. We actively contribute to one of the world's fastest growing digital economies. To support this growth, we established a state-of-the-art development center at Cyber Towers, Hyderabad, with a capacity for over 150 developers, driving innovative solutions.
Today, Datavalley operates in multiple countries through local entities such as Datavalley INC, Datavalley India Private Limited, Datavalley UK Limited, and other international partnerships. And we run 5 offline centers globally, one in US, UK, and Dubai. In India, specifically Vijayawada and Hyderabad. Across all locations, we deliver hands-on trainings, enterprise technology solutions that set a gold standard in digital innovation.
Our offerings span a full spectrum of tech and talent development services, including IT consulting, custom software development, corporate technical training, hackathons and boot camps, coding camps, workshops and internships, campus recruitment training and placement services, on-the-job and role-based training programs.
We provide expert-led programs across high-demand technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning, Internet of Things, full-stack web and app development, data science with analytics, cloud computing and DevOps.
We have proudly partnered with leading banks, tech firms and global enterprises to deliver workforce upskilling, reduce hiring costs and drive innovation. So far, we have trained over 30,000 professionals and placed many of them into high-growth careers. With the support of our strong employee network, our alumni speak for us. Their achievements are our legacy.
At Datavalley AI Innovation Hub, we are building the future of AI through hands-on experimentation, collaboration, and community management. We embrace joining hybrid workforce that empower teams to collaborate with AI teammates, which are so-called AI agents, to work and provide services round the clock. Through our hackathons, boot camps, and real-world projects, we don't just prepare for the future, we build it.
At Datavalley, we don't just build talent. We create, empower, and shape the future of technology.
We are
Datavalley. Datavalley.
Hi guys, my name is Lahiri and I am from ADSC, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. I am pursuing my third year in St. Mary's Women's College, Shebrolu. సో ఇవాళ మాకు 2 days నుంచి Datavalley బూట్ క్యాంప్స్ అనేవి జరుగుతున్నాయి. దానికన్నా ముందు నుంచి ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్, సెకండ్ ఇయర్లో కూడా జరిగినాయి. దాన్ని బట్టి మేము చాలా నేర్చుకున్నాం. వెబ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ కానీ, HTML కానీ, జావా ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ కానీ, ట్రైనర్స్ వాళ్ళు మాత్రం చాలా బాగా చెప్తారు. We were so excited to go through so much of forward to look at this. ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజెస్లో జావానే కాదు, పైథాన్ కానీ ఇంకా ముందు ఏ కోర్సెస్ తీసుకుంటే కెరియర్కి యూజ్ అవుతుంది అన్న గైడ్లైన్స్ ఒకటి, కెరియర్ బిల్డప్ చేసుకోవడానికి వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చే మోటివేషన్ చాలా ఉంటుంది. సో ఇట్స్ ద బెస్ట్ ఐ సే ఇన్ మై ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ Datavalley team, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Good morning to everyone. This is MD Sakya Begum. I am studying here. From 2 days, a program is conducted by a Datavalley company which is named as Hackathon. I learned a lot from this hackathon. Before hackathon, there was nothing knowledge for me, but I gained a lot by this program. We got a project named as the conversation between the doctor and the patient. I learned a lot from this project and I learned how to develop a coding. And I am very thankful to the Datavalley company for giving this much knowledge for us. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Harshita. I am from St. Mary's College. My branch is ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ అండ్ డేటా సైన్స్. టుడే మై టాపిక్ ఇస్ హ్యాకథాన్. మాకు ఈ రోజు మార్నింగ్ నుంచి ట్రైనింగ్ అనేది నేర్పించారు అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ నుంచి హ్యాకథాన్ స్టార్ట్ చేశారు అండ్ కాసేపు ట్రైనింగ్ జరిగింది అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ మాకు బూట్ క్యాంప్ జరిగింది. దాని తర్వాత మళ్ళీ మాకు కోడింగ్ అనేది స్టార్ట్ చేశారు. మాకు ఎర్రర్స్ ఉంటే హెల్ప్ చేశారు మ్యామ్స్ అండ్ సార్స్. మేము కంప్లీట్ చేసాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
So I want you to learn about the AI agents in the morning before lunch. You will just learn about the AI agents.
Good evening guys, myself Harshvardhan. From morning onwards I don't know about this AI agent. I know very well about this AI agent. We can do project automatic data processing AI agent. From this project we can use Python. For our user interface we can use Streamlit. From this user interface we can put a user interface. The user can upload their photo or any PDF into our drag box. It can show the user details in many formats like order number, username, company name, how the amount he can pay to the company. Not only the basic models we can use, we can also use some AI, screw AI, can read the context on that particular bill. Upcoming future, these AI agents can work effectively. Thank you.
And he is the man behind this hackathon. Okay, so he organizes a lot of AI groups in Hyderabad. And 2 weeks ago, we had one Google AI workshop that was sponsored, and he was the man who got Google here a couple of weeks ago. He was supposed to be in person but couldn't make it because of his commitments. But I really am very thankful for him that he's joining from airport or from a hotel. So you may hear some noise behind, but let's just hear for maybe just a wrap up comments from Vijayendra.
Thanks, Pawan and entire team for having me here. Thanks to Mani as well, right, for hosting and conducting this session with Mani Kanta, right? So I feel that it's kind of great, thing to be participating in a session like this. Okay, why do I say that? Is because today I organized an event for AI startup founders, AI innovators, and people from corporates in Bangalore for IIT Guwahati alumni primarily, but also we had participants from some other colleges as well. So one thing that came out of all that, again, I won't go into the nitty-gritty details of what each startup talked about and what happened, but what I will tell is in the context of what is relevant to you. Okay, what came out of the discussion is, so I asked a pointed question, right? There are a lot of young people like you, all of you here, who are learning a lot of new technologies, there are a lot of new things. But what is it that will help you get jobs, right? Because at the end of the day, there is no point in learning 100 things out there, going through 100 YouTube videos. It's important what is it that you need to learn to get a job, and what are the skills you need to get a job. Okay, in AI, at least Gen AI and all this data science. So one thing they say is, things are evolving so fast, right? Everything is changing. So there's no magic recipe that you should learn only agentic AI or you should learn only MCP or you should learn only RAG, right? The important thing is you should have your hands dirty, right? You should be doing what hands-on interesting projects like what you're doing today. Like I think you have done something to do with OCR and scanning PDF projects, used agents, and you use Crew AI or something like that, right? So important thing is do hands-on projects, but be really good at what you do. Okay. So if you have worked on agents today, right? It's not about I can tell you how to do an agent. You plug it in an API key, you run something, you get an output. No, it's about what is happening under the hood, right? You should know every one single one of them, right? How does it? What exactly happens? What is the role that an LLM plays in this? What is the tools? How does the LLM trigger a tool? And what are the trade-offs involved? What happens if we want to scale it? Can it scale or not? Right? What if we have 10 lakh users? What will happen? Right? What if some of the data gets corrupted? How can you handle it? Correct? So that is what is meant by depth. You should know the details of what it is to get it under the hood. So if you are good at that, you do hands-on projects and you're really good at that, you will get hired. Right? Companies want people like you who work on real projects and have good depth of knowledge. That's it. Don't have to do 100 projects, do 3-4 projects, very good at them. Right? When they ask questions, answer them. So it may be projects that they're not even looking at. Like for example, today I went one company is in voice AI. Okay, so they're not looking for people in voice AI related projects. Right? You can't do one build project. But what if you have done this OCR project today, but you know it very well, right? You know how to build a model, train a model, and you know how much time a model takes and what are the challenges involved in training a model. That is what they want, right? So when you do a work on their SLMs, like small language models, same problem statement will be there. You'll be asked to train a model and you'll be asked to deploy it, and all that will be helpful when you actually know it, right? You apply it here, the same thing gets applied there. So the important aspect is work on real projects and be really good at them. And I think that's where, these kind of, opportunities which Datavalley has provided you will be really helpful, right? I'm sure, they have this kind of ecosystem where, they will help you work on these projects, but the onus will be on you to be hands-on and get deeper in. Okay, don't just do some project because your dad or mom said, go and join that project, that company, they will give you placement. You have to have interest. You have to put your head into it and be really good at it. But it's okay. So I think, if you kind of follow through on some of the value offering that Datavalley has in terms of whatever courses they have, I would recommend you join them and be a part of it. And I'm sure Pawan Garu and all, he's also a hands-on person. I'm sure, he will help you all get there. And I'm willing to also help you, anyone who needs help with respect to, looking for opportunities and all. So we are also conducting something called an AI placement drive. Okay, so I'll share the link with Pawan Garu, right? So he can show forward it to all of you. So those who are interested can apply for it. So in the AI placement drive, we make people write a test, and if you're good, I give you a point. So in fact, this OCR project is actually from one of our clients. So they reach out to us saying they want to conduct a hackathon at their company, they want some people. So I'm sure if you've done a good job here, and we can pick some of you. I think Manikanta will give me some kind of recommendations. We will consider some of you for that actual hackathon, and you'll get an internship there. Okay, so that's the reason behind it. This is not a random project. This is not something for the sake of it. It's a real deal, and that's why you take every opportunity like this and give you 100%. Give you 100%. Okay, that's it from my side. However, do you need anything else?
No, that's it, Pandit. Thank you, Vijayendra Garu, for the time. Guys, you can find his name in our poster in LinkedIn. I would strongly recommend you connect. I'm telling you, he's one of the honest guys. Okay, so one problem in AI is, there is a lot of hype, and every time when you have a hype, people go on the hype and they make money out of it. And he is not one of those guys. Okay, that I can assure you. So you need to know the real people who are actually doing it hardcore and as he said, hands dirty. And I find Vijayendra is as one of them. So I strongly recommend, and his bootcamp is, and there is one assessment he also has. Those are amazing. Just connect with him and get in touch with him. And I would strongly recommend you just explore all those that can help you. Okay. Thank you so much, Vijayendra Garu, and have a safe journey. I'll speak to you soon.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, guys. With that, we will close today's one. I would like to take, and even you can open my profile, Manisar's profile, and Vijendra's profile. The thing is, having the right network is important. You have seen the passion we have, and we are going to do it in a bigger scale. So my target is, during the January time, we want to have one of the biggest AI hackathons, I don't know, hopefully in Hyderabad or maybe in South India. So we are planning something big in high-techs, a massive AI hackathon. We'll be taking multiple problem statements from the companies, and we'll be working on those ones. So this is like we're just practicing, to be honest, to scale it up. Yeah, cool guys. And while you're doing it, I would like to thank Mani sir for his time, for choosing to be with you. So you have seen firsthand his passion, and we're going to up the game. So the reason I'm saying it again and again is because I know where we are heading. We're going to up the game. But again, having said that, thank you so much for your time here, and we value it. Thank you once again, guys. You have a great time. We just want to take maybe a 1 bite or a 30 seconds bite there. And so we got Rupika. I don't know if you know her or not. She is a child artist as well. She worked in these movies as well. So maybe just meet her and give her 30 seconds bite, just how you experienced it and all. That will help us actually to pull more people and to help more people. Okay, thank you so much.
Hello, so I've seen you've been a part of the hackathon. How was your whole experience?
This is not my first hackathon. Actually, I went previously. I thought it is really good. Whatever the members they really helped us so much, and we are also having some good discussion with them. Some real-time problems what we are facing. Those all they addressed, and we asked questions. They really said us everything, and it is really we had good experience. And thanks to Datavalley for conducting this one, and I hope they will conduct this one in future also.
All right, thank you. Hello, so how was your whole experience at the hackathon?
Yeah, it's good, and it's the first time I was participating in the hackathon. Before that, I don't know what is mean by AI. Now I got to know that what is the clarity in the AI and what are the tools we're going to use in the AI, as well as along with my technical knowledge, I have to learn the AI. This is a good information I got from the Datavalley. Thank you, Datavalley, to conducting the hackathon. It will be helpful for not only me, for all the people. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Hello, hi. I've seen you've been a part of the hackathon. So what was your experience?
So it's been a great learning experience for me today. Actually, Manikanta sir has explained the concepts very well. So that experience and all with the knowledge, I can be able to implement the AI agents and able to solve the problem statement that the Datavalley has given.
So what was the most fun part in the hackathon?
Faculty will be playing a lot of jokes, in the form of technical things and all. So that will be the most fun part.
All right. Then you had a fun experience, so it was a nice experience.
Fun and great learning experience all together.
So how was the environment? Was it supportive?
Definitely faculty. I have observed faculty, they are very experienced in all these AI and all these things. I learned a lot of things from them also today.
All right, thank you so much. Hello, so I've seen you've been a part of the hackathon. How was your whole experience?
It was a wonderful experience coming today to here for the hackathon. I came unexpectedly here. Randomly I walked in and Pawan sir helped me quickly to land in here. That was I'm really grateful for him. And coming to the other experiences, I don't have much experience in Python. What sir suggested me was you just start from the core and then come to the tools part. So that I feel that it's a wonderful advice for me. So that's all. Thank you.
So you say you have learned a lot of knowledge through this. How is the environment? Was it supportive for your learning?
Supportive.
Very supportive.
Very supportive.
All right, thank you. హలో, సో మీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎలా ఉండింది హ్యాకథాన్ లో?
ఎస్, ఈ హ్యాకథాన్ లో చాలా మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ అయితే కలిసాను. అలాగే వాళ్ళు చేసిన ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ వాళ్ళు ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ చేసేటప్పుడు వాళ్ళు ఫేస్ చేసిన స్ట్రగుల్స్ అవన్నీ నేను చూశాను. అండ్ వాళ్ళు కొంతమంది అయితే వాళ్ళు కొంచెం యూనిక్ గా క్రియేట్ చేశారు. అంటే మేము ఇచ్చిన హ్యాకథాన్ ఓన్లీ కోడ్ బేస్ ఇస్తే వాళ్ళు డిఫరెంట్ గా కూడా క్రియేట్ చేశారు. అంటే వాళ్ళ యొక్క స్కిల్ ని వాళ్ళు అప్ స్కిల్ గా చేసుకున్నారు. అంటే వాళ్ళకి చాలా ఈ యొక్క హ్యాకథాన్ ని చాలా యూస్ఫుల్. దట్స్ వై సో మెనీ పీపుల్స్ ఆర్ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ to build their own agents or own nodes like this.
ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ ఎట్లుండే? ఫ్యాకల్టీ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ ఉండేనా? మీకు సపోర్టివ్ ఉండేనా?
ఎస్, ఫ్యాకల్టీ అంతా హెల్ప్ఫుల్ గా ఉంది. అలాగే ఎట్లాంటి ఎర్రర్స్ వచ్చినా వాళ్ళే వచ్చి సాల్వ్ చేశారు. అండ్ మాకేమన్నా రాకపోయినా వాళ్ళే పక్కన ఉండి ఒక 1 hour and 2 hours కూర్చొని నేర్పించారు. దిస్ హ్యాకథాన్ చాలా హెల్ప్ఫుల్ అయింది.
ఆల్ రైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. Hello, so what was the most fun part in the hackathon? Was it the presentations? Was it fun?
So everything was fun and innovative. The problems statement itself, it is innovative. We are enjoyed to solve the problem. We are share our knowledge. We connect new people and we gain some knowledge.
All right, thank you. Hello, sir. So, how is it hosting the agentic AI here at Datavalley?
It's like we have planned more of technical plus learning plus kind of innovative aspects involved. And then followed by we had lunch, and then after that we had more of challenging problem solving session, and which went like they have really involved in problem statement, followed by like understanding the problem statement, researching on the types of solutions they can come up with and the efficient solutions. And few of them tried with adding new features, and they have finally presented their solution.
So, how did you find the students' enthusiasm? How excited were they?
They have expected more on AI part, agentic AI and automation. We cannot just merge both. Many of them have been trying automation, kind of automating things and all, tasks and all. But whereas when they came here, we just asked a few questions like, have you tried agentic AI earlier and all? So they said, yeah, we have tried, we have built many agents and all. So, and then later when we deep into the concepts and kind of building AI agents and all, they thought, oh, agentic AI and AI agents are different from the automation. Yeah, we should learn coding and programming as well. So they were, throughout the agentic AI hackathon, they were like enthusiastic, more energetic and all. So, yeah. And maybe you can expect more frequently these kind of hackathons, this kind of boot camps, this kind of events. So,
all right, thank you so much. So I've seen you've been part of the hackathon. How was your whole experience being a part of it?
Yeah, it was a great experience in participating in this hackathon. I'm gaining so much of knowledge. This is my first off-campus hackathon. It was a great experience.
So you say you have gained a lot of knowledge.
Yeah.
So how was the environment? Was it supportive for you?
Yeah, mentors should be very supportive and teaching like a friend, mentor.
So you enjoyed the whole experience.
Yeah.
Would you come to another hackathon here?
If you are conducting another hackathon, I will come sure.
Sure, that's great to hear from you. Thank you. Hello, I've seen that you've been part of the hackathon. So how was the whole experience?
It's a nice experience for me because I attend first time hackathon. I learn new things just like PyData or CDK.
So how was the environment? How was the faculty? Were they supportive?
Yeah, very supportive and very nice environment.
Alright, thank you. Are you a recent BTech, CSC, IT or ECE graduate looking for a secure career path? Don't worry. Our 100% job guaranteed train and hire program at Datavalley is designed just for you. With hands-on training and direct hiring, you don't just learn, you get placed. Join us at Cyber Towers, High Tech City, Hyderabad for the orientation and find out how you can be job ready and confident about your future. Meet our trainers, check out the course modules and see how we support you from training to the placement. Also, seats are limited, so register today.
Hi guys, my name is Lahiri and I'm from ADSC, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. I'm pursuing a third year in St. Mary's Women's College, Shebrolu. So ఇవాళ మాకు 2 days నుంచి డేటా వ్యాలీ బూట్ క్యాంప్స్ అనేవి జరుగుతున్నాయి. దానికన్నా ముందు నుంచి ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్లో కూడా జరిగినాయి. దాన్ని బట్టి మేము చాలా నేర్చుకున్నాం. వెబ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ కానీ, HTML కానీ, జావా ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ కానీ, ట్రైనర్స్ వాళ్ళు మాత్రం చాలా బాగా చెప్పారు. We were so excited to go through so much of forward to look at this ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజెస్లో జావానే కాదు, పైథాన్ కానీ ఇంకా ముందు ఏ కోర్సెస్ తీసుకుంటే కెరియర్ యూజ్ అవుతుంది అన్న గైడ్లైన్స్ ఒకటి, కెరియర్ బిల్డప్ చేసుకోవడానికి వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చే మోటివేషన్ చాలా ఉంటుంది. సో ఇట్స్ ద బెస్ట్ ఐ సే ఇన్ మై ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ Datavalley team, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
So I want you to learn about the AI agents in the morning before lunch. You will just learn about the AI agents.
morning, guys. Myself Harshvardhan. From morning onwards, I don't know about this AI agent. I know very well about this AI agent. We can do project automatic data processing AI agent from this.
Welcome to Datavalley, where bold vision meets global impact. What began as a small initiative in the USA evolved into a globally recognized platform, redefining how individuals and organizations harness data and emerging technologies.
With the mission to democratize tech education, we launched online training programs that reach learners across the world. We've empowered thousands of professionals and students with future-ready skills, many of whom are now thriving in prestigious global organizations. Their success and inspiring testimonials are a true reflection of our commitment to real outcomes.
Our expansion into India marked a major milestone. With dedicated operation across B2B, B2CH, B2C verticals, we actively contribute to one of the world's fastest growing digital economies. To support this growth, we established a state-of-the-art development center at Cyber Towers, Hyderabad, with a capacity for over 150 developers, driving innovative solutions.
Today, Datavalley operates in multiple countries through local entities such as Datavalley INC, Datavalley India Private Limited, Datavalley UK Limited, and other international partnerships. And we run 5 offline centers globally, one in US, UK, and Dubai. In India, specifically Vijayawada and Hyderabad. Across all locations, we deliver hands-on trainings, enterprise technology solutions that set a gold standard in digital innovation.
Our offerings span a full spectrum of tech and talent development services, including IT consulting, custom software development, corporate technical training, hackathons and boot camps, coding camps, workshops and internships, campus recruitment training and placement services, on-the-job and role-based training programs.
We provide expert-led programs across high-demand technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning, Internet of Things, full-stack web and app development, data science with analytics, cloud computing and DevOps.
We have proudly partnered with leading banks, tech firms, and global enterprises to deliver workforce upskilling, reduce hiring costs, and drive innovation. So far, we have trained over 30,000 professionals and placed many of them into high-growth careers. With the support of our strong employee network, our alumni speak for us. Their achievements are our legacy.
At Datavalley AI Innovation Hub, we are building the future of AI through hands-on experimentation, collaboration, and community management. We embrace joining hybrid workforce that empower teams to collaborate with AI teammates, which are so-called AI agents, to work and provide services round the clock. Through our hackathons, boot camps, and real-world projects, we don't just prepare for the future, we build it.
At Datavalley, we don't just build talent. We create, empower, and shape the future of technology.
We are
Datavalley.
Datavalley.
Datavalley.